Well, hello everyone and happy February. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different and talk about some Valentine's Day gift recommendations. I don't actually buy everything at the thrift store. Every once in a while I do twist off and order some things. And today I am channeling kind of my inner out of Africa character, because it's kind of all inspired by safari and safari related things. And that's appropriate and it's significant to me because my husband and I 30 years ago, we honeymooned in Africa. We took a 3-week walking safari through Tanzania and it was absolutely wonderful. And so I have a real fondness for everything that is evocative of Africa and African safaris and things of that nature. And so I kind of channeled that in terms of my inspiration for Valentine gifts this year. Now, let me start out with first you buy one for your loved one and then you buy one for yourself. And so I'm going to start out with a Valentine's Day gift that I gave myself. Now, this is not a sponsored provider. This is just a company that I frequently buy things from. I got a number of things there from Christmas, and then they had an after Christmas sale, and so I took advantage of it, and so should you in getting some of your Valentine gifts. So number one, I got this cosmetic case for myself. I absolutely love it. It looks very much, it's very romantic to me. It evokes train travel and maybe ship travel from long ago, but it's eminently practical. I got this from Mark & Graham, one of my favorite companies to order from. They're all about monograms and really high quality products. So this is a cosmetic case. I love it in this kind of army green. It looks, like I say, it looks very safari-ish, very campaign furniture out of Africa. It's got leather detailing. I did have my monogram put on the front. You pay extra for that, but this is one of those things that's on sale right now. It's not only good looking, and you know I like things that get a little bit weathered, and this is one of those kind of pieces that I think I'll like it more as it gets a little bit beaten up and well traveled. But the inside is also, I think, really, really practical. So it's got this kind of not a pillow ticking, but just kind of a blue and white striped interior that I really like. This, by the way, is kind of a plastic, so you'll be able to wipe it out if any of your cosmetics spill or lotions spill. So it's eminently practical. It's got all of these little pockets and things, and then it's got a zip enclosure. But I really like it. I think it's ever so classy looking. It's on sale now, I think for 40% off. I'll put links below. It's at a great price point, and like I say, I'll put a link below. So if you want to start out buying a Valentine's Day gift for yourself, this is a good place to start. Now, another product that I really love, and this was actually a Christmas gift that I had my husband order for me, and this is one of their vegan leather totes. This is also on sale. I got it in black. It is really weatherproof. The inside has this kind of creamy pink color that I like. It's very classic. It has a tie enclosure, or a tie closure rather, and once again, I have it initialed, so I love it. It's lightweight, unlike a lot of other leather totes. It is large enough to fit a laptop, a water bottle on the side. What I like about the light interior is that it makes it easy to find things in the bowels of your purse when you're looking for your keys or something. But like I say, I like it. I haven't had a new purse in a really long time, so Hubs got me this for Christmas. I really like it. This is one of those things that is also on sale at a great price point. And if you want to get it for somebody for Valentine's Day, it comes in a great red color. So when I was putting my list together and I told Hubs what I wanted for Christmas, I really struggled. Did I want the red or did I want the black? But the red is also on sale, and I think you guys ought to check it out. Now, finally, let's get around to buying a Valentine's Day gift for someone else other than myself. This was actually inspired. You can see it's a spinner carry-on suitcase. It's got wheels on the bottom, obviously for convenience and ease of transport. I have bought several of these. I got the first one for my daughter-in-law to be, Tay. We adore her, and this is great. It is, like I say, it's a carry-on. It's lightweight. Now hers I had monogrammed. She got one that was in, what color did she get? I can't remember what color I got for her. It comes in several different colors, but I love the detailing on it. It looks so expensive. It's leather detailing, but it's lightweight, it's tough. It comes with a really great warranty. It's got obviously a pull-out handle and everything. It's got a lock on it. Hubs, this one I got for Hubs because he liked the one that I got for her so well. So I made a mental note of that, and I got him this one for Valentine's Day. I did not monogram his because unlike us girls, he's not a monogram kind of guy. So I just got this one. It is, I think, what I like about it is it's so good looking, and I think it looks very tailored. It looks very chic, and yet it can go in both directions. It can be for either a guy or a gal, and I really, really love it. But check out lots of the other things that are on Mark and Graham's website. They're having a great sale right now. Again, this is not a sponsored post. They're just a company that I really like to support because I think their products are great, and they're having a wonderful sale right now. So I wanted to pass that on, and I think if you get your stuff ordered pretty quickly, you definitely can get it in time for Valentine's Day. So I think that's just a really fun gift. Now, something else, speaking of monograms, that I really like, and as I continue to kind of channel my inner Isak Dinesen, is that her name, Stuart, that wrote Out of Africa? Anyhow, I'm still kind of channeling that, and just the romance of that movie. So this is a gift that my friend Deborah gave me for Christmas, but I think it would just be such a lovely idea to give a sibling for Valentine's Day, or a Valentine friend, a galentine, and that is a cartridge pen. Now, I just love this because I have wanted to kind of experiment a little bit more with flourishes and things like that in my handwriting, and I love this. It's one of those cartridge pens that I used to have when I was a teenager. So I had mentioned that to her, and she got me one. I think it just came off of Amazon. Again, this is not a sponsored post. Lamy, and it comes in a wonderful gift box. Then she got me some additional cartridges to go along with it. And then, because I think it's just so romantic to handwrite a note or handwrite a letter, she got me some Kate Spade, again, monogrammed stationery that I just love. And I love I just love the nostalgic romance of this idea. I think it's a wonderfully fun gift idea for I've got lots of sisters, so for a sister, again, like a galentine, or for your wife, or for your husband, or whomever, your sweetheart, I guess. I think this is really a great idea. Now, lastly, and this, I am a huge fan of Bridgetown Tools, and they sent me these to try. I have gotten these from Bridgetown, oh gosh, for several years now. I've talked about them before, but this is an idea of how to put their wonderful hand-tooled, really work of art gardening tools to use in a unique way. Now, Hubs and I, we like to go foraging a lot. In fact, not that long ago, we went to a friend's property and we did a lot of digging for rose rocks and things. I love to find unique natural elements to use in my decor, and I know so many of you guys do too. So I thought it would be fun to put together a foraging bag for my husband. Now, we actually, I guess it's for both of us because we have both already used it a couple of times. And I got this canvas bag off of Amazon. And it's certainly not girly looking. A guy or a gal could use it, but I love it because it's tough. It'll be weatherproof. It's got a zip enclosure. I'll put a link below. And then what I've done is I've just filled it. I love kit gifts, gifts that you kind of make a kit out of. And this is our foraging kit. So in here, I've got a wildflower guide so that we can ID our wildflowers when we're out hiking and things. I've got, for us, I've got an Oklahoma birds book. My husband has really gotten into birding. And then I've got a pair of these Bridgetown snippers that I love so much. And parenthetically, guys, these are also great for clipping your topiaries. They're sharp, they're pointed. I really, really like them. So I keep a pair of those in here. And then if there's any digging to be done or excavation, things of that nature, and of course, always make sure that you ask permission of whomever's property it is and that you're mindful of being respectful of national parks and such. But we go hiking a lot. We go to our own Colorado property, and sometimes I like to excavate little things and bring them back. So these tools, this one is called a handy hoe, and obviously it's great for weeding in between cracks, in between your bricks. This one is a little bit smaller and a little bit more delicate. This is a Neri Gamma hoe. I know I'm probably butchering that pronunciation. This one's a little bit smaller. It comes with a protective plastic sheath. I have both of these in my garden trug, but I also am keeping a couple of them in my foraging bag because they're just wonderful for that. So this is just kind of a fun gift idea, you guys. And then other practical things that I keep in here, I've just got some plastic bags to, if I'm foraging something and it's muddy and dirty, I've got a pair of gardening gloves in here. So it's just, I think, a fun gift idea for someone like husbands and I that we go out hiking a lot. We always like to bring back a little some natural element for wherever we are to kind of, keep that good time in spirit with us. I can find some kind of little clediment that we've picked up and it makes me happy. Another thing that I would suggest keeping in there is, and this will document that we really did go to Africa on our honeymoon. I love these notebooks. You can get them off of Amazon. And this is a journal that I kept when we were in Africa. And I was showing Stuart that I've got some zebra tail hair in here. I've got different fun little things that remind me of that trip, and I can go back and just read what that trip was all about. It's wonderful. It'll be a nice little heirloom to pass on to my kids. But my point being, you can get a blank book like this and keep it in your foraging kit, your foraging bag, and that way you can record unique different things. You can take photographs, you can sketch, you can do whatever you like. Anything that kind of inspires your writing, maybe with one of your cartridge pens. So there are some ideas that I think are just kind of fun, a little bit out of the box for Valentine's Day, but things that speak to me and they might speak to you. So I just wanted to share these Valentine deals. Don't forget to check them out. Make sure to say Linda sent you when you head over to Bridgetown because they're just a wonderful company, and check out Mark and Graham.